keeps on calling me. Down the road I always seem to be. Every stop I make, I see my old friend. It ain't long till I get spun around and I'm gone again. Maybe tomorrow my whole world will settle down, but it ain't tomorrow, so I keep moving on. I'm down a road that never seems to end, full of track lines and rails and lies around each bend. So if you're gonna join me for a while, you better grab your hat, you know I live like that kind of hobo style. Maybe tomorrow I wanna settle down. It ain't tomorrow, so this old world's still my home. I got my whole world waiting to unfold in a Ziploc bag where I can drag out this worn out soul. I made it through so far and I know it won't be long. I must be almost there, I paid my fare with this hobo song. Maybe tomorrow my God will help me settle down, but it ain't tomorrow, so I guess I'll keep moving on.